So now let's proceed with the third button, which is the recalls button. So once you click this recalls, what it does is it gives you a report for those patients who have a recall, who have a pending cleaning. So you can be able to sort them out using the date range right here, start date and then the end date, and then just hit search patient and you'll see all of the patients who is pending for their cleaning there. You'll see the previous day that they visited, you'll see the due date. You can select them all and then send them text right here or send them email there. So it's up to you if what kind of messages you want to send out to your patient, because you have a tool or you have an option to create your own template just for you to be able to maximize the utilization of this tool. So if you want to send out promotions or if you want to send out marketing, it's up to you. You just have to create your own template and send it from here. You can also sort them out using their carrier there and then just filter them out. You can select them one by one, send them one by one message, or send multiple patients at once. You just have to hold the control key on your keyboard at the same time left clicking those patients you want to select like that, or just simply select them all. PatientXpress button, this one. So this PatientXpress button composed of reports as well. So the first report is the birthday. So obviously you can pull out those patient who has a birthday on the specific date that you have selected right here. So you just have to hit search and you can be able to see all of the patient. You can be able to send them text with their birthday or with their email. There. And if you are creative enough, you can be able to use this as a marketing if you would like to. So as I mentioned, you can always create a template. Whichever template that you want or whatever content that you want, and send them to your patient. Maybe you want to give them discounts during their birthday or a special offer during their birthday. You can always. Next is the review. Now, if the appointment confirmation can pull out those patients who have an appointment within the day or scheduled appointment, this review will pull out those patients who have completed their appointment. Let's see. There's 2 patients who have completed their appointment. So on this review link, you can be able to replace this link, each link to your own link. Your own Yelp link, your own Facebook link, Google review link, and health grade link here. So that once you send them a feedback request, it will replace that link to your own links so that they can be able to leave a feedback to your office. Okay, so you just have to select the SMS and then you can select the feedback request right here. And then you can even send them MMS as a picture to attract them leaving a feedback. Okay, now there's this button right here which says add survey link. So what it does is if you click this and send a review request to your patient, what will happen is before they actually go into this link, there will be like a survey first. If how was their experience with your office, if it is 5-star, 1 to 5 stars, so that's their rate. So once they rate your office 3 stars below, it will just leave it as the survey without them going to the actual link that you have put right here to prevent any bad reviews for your links or for your Google reviews or Facebook or Yelp. But if they leave like 4-star and above, 4-star or 5 stars, then they can be able to access this link and then proceed with the review. So this is by optional, so it's up to you if you want to add that survey link or not. Okay. Again, you can select them all, then send them SMS, MMS, or email, or automatic, which will automatically picks up if they have SMS or email or both.